And today with Godot, I got all these open. That's nice. Oh, here are these assets. Kenny is great. What tutorial was I going through last time? I think no. Godot tutorials. That's the thing. Basic audio manager using the global autoload. To get the to enable managing the sound audio streams from in a global scope for a given project. So the result is this thing, and display like this. So this thing has a music, which is usually also heard in the show. So there is a invisible region over here, area with a no visual representation, just the collision object. Oh yeah, these collision shape 2D for four regions here, and as a character moves out of the region, so you can see it goes in the next region. Now my regions are small, so as I walk to the next one, music fades out. So I'm now in the no region, no area, no sound source area. And now in this area, which is this one here. And it was fun. And even using the inbuilt template for the player, which is not type player, but it is a character body 2D, I guess. Yeah. And using the built-in template for it, the input controls on direction keys on keyboard work right out of the box. No scripting required to get it running. That would be the, well, intro section. Not yet, that was just in the intro section segment. That was just the what's been in previously. That was the audio manager. Do I have anything on the bottom? Some suggestions what to do next? I've already have my eye on the screens. So I'm not sure, should I do the tweens or so if I go to Godot 4 here, I can check for the whole. There are not too many tutorials, but I would say very important ones. Basic 3D animations, basic navigation, then load system, but I actually thought, oh, let's try the tile maps, which is on the first page. Collision alert, tile maps. Loading screen, inheritance. I'm actually tired, and I'll do something very kind of flat type of a exercise. I decided to, for the next, these upcoming and the current series of streams, do more creative, combine also maybe creating assets, doing the artwork. But I'm tired to do two, three things. I kind of want to go through something, get something new, fresh in the head, some idea, some concept, useful for me, maybe for the viewers. I already went through like tile maps. Okay, this is the assets. I'll put this with Kenny's. But I was really looking forward to start to create my own assets for game art and stuff, sprites. I'll stick more to the 2D during next period. Maybe that will change. It depends. It depends on the aha or gotcha I come along doing these. But even these concepts like tile maps, they're all important. Managing assets in the game, not just like in the making game tutorials. Let's make a first game, one screen, one level. The resource management is important. Because even if I actually create a simple game, I still want to implement like something more modern. More like modern concepts, pseudo proceduralism, or some kind of smart algorithm for the AI, or at least randomness, unpredictability. That requires, well, it doesn't need to have a very elaborate asset management, resource management built in, but it makes me like satisfied carrying that idea along. So I got twins, 2D tile maps. These are same. So usually, few previous stream sessions, I also went in the intro part through the available learning material, let's say. It depends how the blog sites are laid out. It's good to revisit these, have them open, because each time I find some detail in the site, like how to navigate through it, how the articles are organized. For example, this at first glance, the GD Quest website looked to me like they're just selling courses, but no, they got the tutorials here. So, okay, this is events bus. That's cool, important stuff. Godot tutorials. I guess this is the main page. Tutorial edit, the editor. I'll close that. Then what's this? Entity component, super important. Krita tutorials. They're just teasing. These guys are just teasing. I need to switch from my old software for graphics, something newer that supports even animation. So is this Godot tutorials? So what will it say? Create games with Godot and Krita. Latest updates. Make games with Godot, the developer edition. I'll open that. Great, great, let's say, intermediate or advanced subjects, topics. Introduction. Okay, Krita tutorials, getting started. No. Is this the section? Okay, this is the title section or section title. Oh, here it is. So if I check what I opened here, developer edition, what's this? Created list of resources to make your life easier. And I was frowning at this site right 15 days, 2 weeks ago. In these stream terms, but it's actually a month ago. Beginner edition, join community from X to Godot, themes and much more. Shaders in Godot, intro to shaders, extending. So this is for developer. Okay, this is good, going advanced. Wow, this is a real true gem. Okay, these are the courses. So making games from X to Godot, UI themes and more, user interface, making programs. Godot editor is built using the Godot engine itself. Shaders. Okay, so that would be, what's it called, the editor's edition, right? Game engine. I'm looking at this because it was a one chapter here in this article, one section that had a, but it's not this one, that had some technical specs for like sprite sizes or game art assets for different game types, like what's usually used in which game types. So if I look here, tutorials, that was the developer Godot, learning path, beginner Godot. So, okay, tutorials. Okay. I'll right middle mouse click on this and check the tutorials list here. User interface, GD script, best practices, learning paths, interactive tool, getting started, beginner, developer, new features, 3.1. Oh, series, text series, best practices, design patterns, finite state. Okay, that's the, what's the adapter? What would be the adapter strategy? 2D games, RPG. What's this top? Is this top-down RPG? Dynamic camera targets, game settings, zooming with mouse wheel, limited player vision, spawning, scene transitions, raycast turret, physics, layers and masks, area 2D, visibility notifier, navigation 2D, Talma, pathfinding, steering behaviors. Godot 3. These are let's say old, but they're all still current. I'll skip these. Well, maybe audio, volume slider, cutting sound effects, crossfade background music. Okay, this is good. Persistent background music, procedural, world map, over a simple world map generator using noise texture, a modified gradient texture, and shaders. Preparing the scene structure, preparing the color, fixing noise texture range, getting a tone shaded look, finite state, VFX secrets, one is out, tutorials. Okay, that's the thing. PCG position, what's this? Okay, that is the course. Beginner edition. I'm looking at the URL down there, or it's YouTube, GD Quest. This is the web app that I went through, learning GD script from zero. First game. I'll get that open. It's a free 2-hour course for the first series GD script documentation, game designs, principles, going further, book shaders, previous next. So the Godot editor. There is a video. Your question, what's zip? What's a Godot? What's next? Okay, learn GD script. That's the, I clicked on the next, so I went through these, quite a few hours of it. Again, a bundle. So learn this one. I'll close it. To the game. And what will be next? So unzip. What's Godot project? Okay, let's say I download it. Cool, thank you. What will be next? Well, let's check this out. Short break and go into this project.